Welcome to Business Doctor. Today we are going to discuss something very special. I wish to caution you before we get into this. This exercise or this approach you try to do when all your options are exhausted, or if you are trying to do something in an easy way. Otherwise, you go through the normal process of goal setting, and this is no way in connected with mimicking a role model. So, with that caution, let me introduce you the topic called reverse goal setting. In reverse goal setting, what happens is that you need to set the goal. That is no change. So once you identify the goal, okay, maybe you break certain things into further task or activities. Once you do all that with a timeline for each of these things and your end objective of reaching the goal, what you have to do is that you have to see who has done this in real world. Okay, so you can imagine, or if you know somebody, that is also fine. In case if you don't know, you can even imagine, okay, how this person could have done this. Then what you should do is that you have to mentally you have to calculate what are all the things possibly you would have done that to achieve that goal. Mentally have a map of all the steps possibly. It need not be right, it may be in your opinion what he has done, which need not be true also, but at least list down those things. Then the next step is identify where you are in the goal setting. Maybe you may be at the start or somewhere in the middle, or you are about to finish. Okay, it could be any of those things. So you honestly evaluate your current state. Then if that person has already achieved and you have not achieved, that means his barriers to achieving the goal are different than that of what you are experiencing. So identify all the barriers which are causing the problem for you, like in terms of not able to achieve that particular task or activity or the goal itself. So identify all the barriers. Okay, once you identify, then you have to find out what are the resources you have. Probably you may have your family to support, or you are a very a very good reader of books, maybe on internet or e-books or physical paperback, or you may have a lot of things available to you at your disposal, like maybe you have some professors, some or the professionals who are known to you. So I take down all the possible resources. It could be even money, it could be people, it could be tools, it could be any of those resources. Then see that how you can use these resources and solve your barriers or overcome your barriers. So for that you have to obviously list down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. Then see that how to solve each of these barriers with that resources which you can access to. That is important. Okay, then maybe again, if you need any help from the people around you, try to take that help, and in the way you will start achieving one task by another task. See, in the life you don't need to have only one goal, right? You can have multiple goals based on the stages in your life, or you can have parallelly 2-3 goals also. So you try to in case if you are facing the problem in one goal, then you can try to take this approach of reverse goal setting, so that from that end state, okay, in order to achieve by this time I have to be at this level. Then you work backwards based on how others have done, based on the problems you have faced, based on the resources you have access to, and how you are able to utilize those resources to overcome those barriers. Work out a plan and try to achieve that. So that should be helpful in case if you are not able to move forward on your regular goal setting plan. Hope this makes sense to you. And this is not a prevalent topic, of course, in the industry. But some people have been talking about, in parts of Australia, in parts of US, like that. So maybe you can try that as well. Hope this video helps you, and see you in the next video. Cheers, bye.